We're gonna make some mushrooms in salsa ranchera tacos. These comes together so fast and it has so much flavor. We're gonna use 3 different kinds of mushrooms, but you can use any that you have on hand. Here I have mitake. I'm also using shiitake, and I'm also using oyster mushrooms. I love combining different mushrooms because you get the different range of taste and texture. I have my pan here that I've been preheating over medium heat. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil and 3 really large garlic cloves that I already minced. I'm gonna add my garlic right in here, and then adding the dry thyme. Once it becomes fragrant, you can go ahead and add all of your mushrooms right in here. Add a teaspoon of salt. This is gonna come together so fast that I'm already preheating my little comal for my tortillas. Stir all the mushrooms so they will combine with the garlic and the thyme and the salt. They're starting to get sweaty and then moist, and then they'll drown in their juices, and then they'll dry up. And I want the mushrooms to brown a little because I want the flavors from the mushrooms as they cook with the garlic and the thyme. And I have 1 cup of salsa ranchera. This salsa ranchera from La Costeña has the guajillo, which is happy and peppy, and then it also has a pasilla, which is intense and bitter and almost metallic. And then it also has fresh jalapeños, which are grassy and green and bright. And then it also has a chile de árbol. The chile de árbol is feisty, it's intense, it's super smoky and spicy. Here goes. I want the salsa to completely cover the mushrooms. As that continues cooking, I'm gonna chop a little cilantro, and I'm just removing the bottom of the stems, but I'm using the top part of the stems because they have a delicious crunch and they also have a lot of flavor. So that's gonna go in there. It's gonna cook with the mushrooms, and I'm gonna chop a little more so that I can garnish the taco. And I'm letting the sauce season and thicken along with the mushrooms. Oh, yum. Oh, pretty. Give it a stir. And that's it. I always make 2 tacos at least, not just 1. 1 taco is way too lonely. This is so simple and so delicious. Flippity flip. I have my 2 tortillas. Yum. This looks so filling already. And the salsa is already packed with so much flavor, but by cooking it with the mushrooms that have the garlic and the thyme, you're just intensifying the taste. I cooked my mushrooms with the salsa ranchera. I'm gonna dress my taco with a salsa mexicana. And the salsa mexicana has the base of a tomato, and it's a different flavor that loves to be mixed and matched inside of the taco. So you're gonna get the tomatillo tomato action in a single bite. And we have cooked cilantro in the mushroom mix. Now we're gonna add fresh cilantro. It's the little details. Mushrooms in salsa ranchera tacos. It's so good. As I'm biting into them, I'm getting the juices from both the salsa ranchera, which cooked in them, and the salsa mexicana. And these tacos are just such a delight.